This is Dave, and I have a Gate Smart Lock in my hands. I just received it in the mail, and I'm going to be open boxing. This is an open box video plus removing my old smart lock and installing the Gate Smart Lock. Gate is the only integrated video smart lock on the market. It has a video camera that live streams video to your phone whenever anyone approaches. Allows you to basically manage access to your door from anywhere in the world. Connects to Wi-Fi, and so I'm going to be installing it on my door, and let's get started. It's a video and allows you to control like pin codes, and you can see who comes to the door. Here. Turn. Just pulls off. Yeah, and then I have one more. So I finished installing the Gate Smart Lock onto my door, and it's pretty neat. When guests arrive, I set the sensitivity settings to 5 feet away, so when someone approaches the door, I'll get a notification on my phone. It'll start live video and automatically turn on audio so I can talk, almost like a walkie-talkie system, with the guest that's at the door. I have a pin code that I can use, and I can also generate new pin codes through the app, like if I had an Amazon package or like an Airbnb guest. They can use that pin code, and I can set an expiration date for that pin code. So that's pretty cool. It locks and unlocks beautifully, and it's very secure. In the Gate app, you slide to lock the door or to unlock it, which is a pretty cool feature. But other than that, it's a pretty cool unit. I look forward to using it. I no longer need to be home to receive guests or items or services. So, and I feel pretty secure with it. And I have like a virtual doorman always home to manage access to my residence. So that's the Gate Smart Lock app. And I'm Dave. Thanks for watching.